was in a young, dumb, rowdy phase, still hanging on to my bachelor days. You were still praying for me to start changing my ways. 30 years old and still acting a fool. Damn near the same kid you met back in school. I thought I might have lost you, yeah, I thought it might have cost me the love and the light of my life. The night I got locked up, everything went wrong. The night I got messed up, should've just stayed home. Picked up my phone, what can I say? Well, I thought that you'd walk away, but you stood by your man. Tell me why then it hit the fan. You could've just quit, no, but you showed me love. You didn't go when the going got tough. The night I got locked up, I remember how you looked like your name. You finally gave it to me after the game. We floated on the breeze for like a year and some change. I knew you were down for me back when we met, but I didn't know how down for me you'd really get. When you picked up my pieces and my only call, I knew you were in, baby, in for the long haul. The night I got locked up, everything went wrong. The night I got messed up, should've just stayed home. Picked up my phone, what can I say? Well, I thought that you'd walk away, but you stood by your man. Tell me why then it hit the fan. You could've just quit, no, but you showed me love. You didn't go when the going got tough. The night I got locked up, the night I got locked up. Girl, you forgave me for my sins. You put it down and you ain't brought it up since. I knew that I was done, I knew you were the one. Yeah. The night I got locked up, everything went wrong. The night I got messed up, should've just stayed home. Picked up my phone, what can I say? Well, I thought that you'd walk away, but you stood by your man. Like, tell me why then it hit the fan. You could've just quit, no, but you showed me love. You didn't go when the going got tough. The night I got locked up. You stood by your man.
This dance is called Lock Up, choreographed by Colin Ghys. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, intermediate level, rolling 8 count line dance. There is no tag or restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Step right foot to right side and sway hip to right, sway hip to left. Right foot sailor step, left foot sailor step. Behind with a hitch, behind side. Crosswalk recover, quarter turn left stepping forward. Section 2, half turn left stepping back with a swing. Behind side cross with a swing. Cross sharp forward with a swing, moving forward. Cross sharp forward with a swing. Mambo half turn right. Forward rock recover, half turn right stepping forward. Section 3, half turn right stepping back, continue quarter turn right, hit your right foot. Step right foot to right side and sway to right, sway to left. Cross, side, 1/8 turn right stepping together. Cross, 1/8 turn left stepping to side. Half turn left stepping to side, sweep your right foot. Weave, cross, side, behind. Section 4, step left foot to left side and sway hip to left, right, left. Cross with a swing. Cross, hinge half turn left. Quarter turn left stepping back. Quarter turn left stepping to side and sweep your right foot. 3 count jazz bars, cross, back, side, weave, cross, side, behind. Last step, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and up, 4 and up, 5, 6 are 7, 8 are. 1, 2 are 3, 4 are 5, 6 are 7, 8 and are. 1, 2, 3, 4 are 5, 6 are 7, 8 and are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are 6, 7 and are, 8 and are. That's the count. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.